Hello everyone, my name is Emre Şakırbaş. Today I would like to solve a problem regarding mathematical modeling. Let's read the problem first, then solve step by step. A farmer is looking to divide the plant different cultures. Traditionally, cornfields returned 3.5 per square meter. Oat fields returned 2.75 per square meter. Orchards produced revenues of 4.5 per square meter. The farmer has a land of 1 million square meters. In order to feed his farm animals, the cultivator must dedicate a minimum of 300,000 square meters to the culture of corn and oats together. However, since corn is more susceptible to long periods of drought, he doesn't want this culture to occupy more than 200,000 square meters. Lastly, he would like to allot the same amount of space to oats and orchards. Which expression correctly represents the max revenues of the farmer? Model all constraints that the farmer must respect. First of all, we have to define indices, which will be about type of different cultures. We have three type of cultures. First, corn, second, oat, and third, orchards. Then we have to define a decision variable that is related to objective function variables. We can say xi, yi. This decision variable represents the surface allowed to the ith culture. Then we can write objective function as a z star equals max z, and the goal is trying to maximize the total revenue. For corn, we have $3.5 per square meter. For oat, it is 2.75 revenue. And finally, for orchards, 4.5 revenue the cultivator gets. And we can write constraints. There is a total field capacity in terms of square meters. The farmer has a land of 1 million square meters. This is the total land we can use. And another constraint is the culture of corn and oats can be at least 300,000 square meters. And also we have a land capacity for corn cultures in terms of meters square. It cannot exceed 200,000 square meters. And our final constraint is the cultivator wants the same amount of space for oats as well as orchards. This is the final constraint we have. Thanks for listening to me.